This is the ADHD Cleaning Planner and Home Reset. 1 bundle, 3 tools. A printable pack of 14 fillable pages that only ever ask you for 3 things, not 30. A 6-tab spreadsheet that quietly remembers when every corner of your home last got some attention. And 3 chore chart templates you can edit free in Canva. It is built for brains that find cleaning loud, and it opens with the only rule in the box. Pick what helps and ignore the rest. Here's the tour. Page 1 is called Start Here, or Don't. There is a permission slip printed right on it. Skip any page, any day. Clean 1 drawer and stop. That was cleaning. Call good enough done. And every box on all 14 pages is fillable on screen, 198 fields in all. Or print a page and grab a pen. Both count. This is the heart of the pack, the Pick 3 card. Not 10 things. Not the whole house. You write in today's date. You pick 3 small things, and you tick them off. The page says the quiet part out loud. Done is done. 3 boxes is a full day. Below the 3, 1 bonus round. Only if you feel like it, 0 points lost if not. And nothing carries over unless you decide it does. Tomorrow starts blank. Yesterday does not follow you around the house. For days when there is almost nothing in the tank, the 1 song wins page. 12 tiny tasks, each about the length of 1 song. Put 1 song on, clear 1 counter, or round up every cup in the house. And stop when the music stops, or don't. The footer means it. Any one of these counts as cleaning today. Yes, really. Every room gets a reset page like this. This is the kitchen. Same room, 3 sizes. A 10-minute column, a 30-minute column, and the full reset for a day with fuel in the tank. You pick the column that fits your energy, not the whole page. There are 5 of these. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, and laundry plus entry. The 10-minute column is the workhorse. Timer on, surfaces only. Clear the counters. Dishes, load it, run it. Wipe the stovetop, take the trash out, quick floor sweep. And every room page ends with the same reminder. A wiped counter counts. You never owe the whole column. Then the pile, you know the one. Doom pile Triage. The subtitle does a lot of gentle work here. Doom piles are not a character flaw. They are decisions that got tired. The method is 1 pile, 1 timer, for boxes. Pick 1 pile, just 1. Set a 15-minute timer. Sort into keep, relocate, donate, and trash. Relocate goes home in 1 lap around the house. And when the timer rings, you are done, even mid-pile. Half a pile sorted is a win. The weekly rhythm is 1 line a day. 1 small thing next to Monday, 1 next to Tuesday, or leave it blank. The page says blank is allowed, right under every box. 7 boxes, 0 streaks. No chain to break, because we never built a chain. A skipped Tuesday never hurt anyone. Deep cleaning gets 12 slots, 1 zone a month. The oven, the windows, the closet floor. 1 zone gets the spa treatment each month, and that is deep enough. Missed a month? The zone will wait. Start where you are. Tool 2 is the Home Reset Dashboard, a 6-tab spreadsheet for Excel and Google Sheets. You only ever type in the cream cells, and on this tab that means exactly 1 thing. When a zone gets a reset, you type the date. That is the whole job. 20 zones come pre-loaded, from kitchen counters to the folding pile. There is even a row for doom piles, and the List tab lets you rename them to match your home. From that 1 date, everything else fills itself in. Days ago counts up on its own. The counters, 1 day ago, fresh. The shower, 13 days, doing fine. And the laundry machines, at 34 days, become first in line. Read the fine print. First in line is not overdue. Nothing here is overdue. It is just whose turn it is. The Today tab turns those dates into a tiny plan, and it fits on a phone screen. Your pick 3 up top. Same rule as the paper card, 3 things, then you're done. And underneath, first in line, waited longest. The machines at 34 days. Doom piles at 29. The fridge inside at 26. Choosing what to clean stops being a decision. And because the sheet remembers the last time, you don't have to. Your last log clean is right there, bed and nightstand on Friday. Your week so far, 7 cleans logged, 66 minutes. And under it, in writing, 0 is a fine number. The week is long. Tool 3, the wall charts. 3 templates. The family chore grid. Everyone picks, nobody nags, and empty squares are nobody's failure. The weekly cleaning schedule. 1 zone a day, skip days are free, and Sunday is officially nothing, rest counts. And a kids pick 3 card. 3 little jobs, then I'm done. Each file comes as a filled example plus a blank. They are PowerPoint files, and Canva's free plan imports them. In Canva, click Create a Design, then Import File, and upload the template. Swap the names, the chores, and the colors, then print it. Everything in this bundle is US letter, so any home printer is happy, or download it as a PDF. They open in PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides too. So that is the ADHD Cleaning Planner and Home Reset. 14 fillable pages that ask for 3 things, not 30. A dashboard that remembers the last time, so you never have to. And 3 chore charts for the wall. No streaks anywhere, ever. That is not a loophole. That is the design. It is a one-time purchase with free lifetime updates, and the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. And remember, clean one corner, not your whole life.